We did send them pictures for Christmas, and I meant to, and then I had them ready after the cruise, but the coronavirus hit, so I'm just now sending them off.
Bastard.
Okay, what happened?
He pulled out in front of me when I was trying to make the light, and then fucking, I don't know what she was doing.
Let's see. Hey, Evie doesn't want to come with me, but I've been trying to tell her she has to, so I wanted us to be on the same page when we got home.
Okay.
I don't feel like she needs to just sit around, and she didn't do very good with her work today, so I think the last week or so she's got spoiled with having so much free time. Be good for her to get out of the house even if we have to go to the dollar store.
Yeah.
Which I'm still not sure about, because I don't really want to message her. I'll just find out when we get there. Is that your turn signal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, your Rocky thingy's making a lot more noise, too.
Yeah, I put a new rubber band on it, I think. I don't know.
It was like, good thing the fan is on. It makes a lot of noise.
She's got a handicap sticker. I don't think this lady should be driving. She's got a handicap sticker. She pulled out in front of me like she didn't need to. And let's see, hopefully she don't get over. She's gonna run me off the road. And look. She's a fat old lady.
Could be someone's grandma.
Yeah. It could have been our car getting into a wreck.
Well, normally the old people carry insurance, so.
We ain't got time for that.
No, but at the same time, the car does need some work. I'm awful, aren't I?
Uh-huh. Her little fat arms are probably trying to turn the wheel, trying to get in the lane.
You're awful.
I know. Oh my word.
I think I'm going to the store too. Mom's driving me nuts with the camping thing. I have been trying so hard to be patient, but she is literally going to wait till Thursday morning to tell me if we're going or not. I don't know what it is. I don't know what her deal is. Like, when I talk to her sometimes,